We're going to heat up the pan on medium-high heat. When the pan gets hot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure to distribute the oil evenly. When the oil gets hot, the tip of this wooden spoon, you'll see bubbles. That means it's hot and ready. Now we're going to saute the aromatics, shallots, ginger, and garlic. Saute until fragrant. Now we're going to add the chicken, skin side down. Put the aromatics on top of the chicken so they don't burn. Now we're going to sear the other side. Let's put the aromatics again on top of the chicken so they don't burn. Let's flip it one more time so the skin side of the chicken is directly touching the pan. Now it's time to add the rice. I am using jasmine rice. Saute the rice. Add 3 bay leaves. Give it another stir. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the pan. Add 6 cups of water. I'm just using tap water here. Once again, give it another stir and make sure to scrape the bottom to get all the flavors from the pan. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of bouillon paste. Cover and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, adjust the heat to medium. The key here is to constantly stir the mixture. We want the rice to burst. I still remember my grandma's tip. She told me when you're making lugaw, you have to constantly stir it. You want all the rice burst. We're gonna simmer this until cooked, but remember to keep stirring it. The rice swells here, but it hasn't really burst yet, so we need more time. I just tasted it and it's a little bit salty, so I'm adding 2 more cups of water here. So we're using a total of 8 cups of water. The bouillon paste is a bit salty for my preference, but I needed the flavor of the bouillon. But it's okay, lugaw is very flexible, so you can add tons of water in this one and it still should be fine. It's almost there, just a couple more minutes. And that's how I like it. Rice are all burst. Topped with 8-minute boiled egg, fried garlic, and scallions. I present to you Mrs. McGann's LUGAW.
I think that this is the best LUGAW you've ever made, and I've eaten a lot of your LUGAW too.
Wow.
Your chicken is cooked really nicely. It's very tender, very moist, very soft. You didn't overcook it. The flavors are really clear. I like the brightness of the citrus. You know that. The citrus I like. I couldn't imagine this without lime.
Mm-hmm. Or calamansi, but we don't have calamansi.
I've never had a calamansi. I've never heard of it until I met you. I don't even know if it's real.
It's kind of like a baby lime, only better taste. You're gonna like calamansi better than lime.
I just got a piece of ginger. I really like the ginger. It's such a homey aroma.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells so delicate. It really does. Ooh, masarap na LUGAW.
All right, go eat up, Pop. I'm gonna go finish up the video.
I'm just gonna stay here.
You're gonna stay here? I haven't closed the video yet.
So, well, now you're on my time. It's my dinner.
Oh, well, bring that to the table so I can take a photo of my model before it gets bad.
There you go.
No, Pop. No. No, don't move it, Pa.
Oh my God, cook the food.
Get your thingy out.
I'm such a bad husband, I touched the food.
Get it up. I love you, bye. Finish your LUGAW on the table.
No.
Love you.
No.
Papi?
Nope.
Go. Do I have to kick you out of the house?